Hi, I'm Dr. Sujata. In this video, I'm going to talk about vision after cataract surgery. If you are in search for an expert, reach out to the best of them at Medfin. Our dedicated team ensure that you have a worry-free surgery experience from the start to the end. You know that cataract surgery is a common outpatient procedure which involves the removal of the lens of the eye and replacing with a artificial intraocular lens. It is a safe procedure that does come with some complication as any other surgery. Now coming to vision after cataract surgery, it is normal for your vision to be blurry in the beginning as your eye recovers from the surgery. This blurriness should go away within a few days. Also, not everyone recovers at the same pace. If the blurriness or red or bloodshot eyes do not go away even after several weeks, then it's time for you to follow up with your ophthalmologist. There are some more complications that require you to consult your doctor. These are a sudden decrease in vision, there is a discharge from your eyes, there is sudden flashes of light in the eye, pain that does not reduce with eating painkillers, an increase in the swelling or redness. Also, the blurriness can be a result of several complications that arise after cataract surgery. These include dry eye, inflammation, posterior capsular opacification, retinal detachment and cystoid macular edema. To allow speedy recovery and great vision afterward, here are some instructions. Wear protective shield at night for at least a week after surgery. Avoid strenuous activities like lifting weights. Use eye drops and other medication as prescribed by your ophthalmologist. Do not rub your hand. Do not bend over your waist for a week. Avoid substances like eye makeup, soap, shampoo and dust going into your eye. Do not go for swimming for 4 to 6 weeks. To summarize, cataract surgery has a very high success rate and the complications are only rare. It is a daycare procedure. Most of the patients experience an improved vision only afterward. Vision improves as the eye heals and it does not depend on factors such as your age, overall health, type of cataract surgery and other eye conditions. Thank you and see you in the next video with more information. Medfin can be your best partner when going for an eye examination, finding you a right doctor or getting a cataract surgery done. To know more about cataract, please click the link in the description box.